Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today we're going to be working on the Mayberry Street miniature. And I never did work on it when I first posted this last year, so we are going to start working on it now. So let's go. So it does come with scissors, glue, looks like everything you're going to need. There's the glue, the two different types of glue. One's a clear glue, one's a white glue. It comes with a little ruler, a little Phillips head screwdriver, a razor, a little pair of scissors, and little tweezers. And obviously you can use what you want. Okay, one glue that you could consider is the Beacon Advanced Craft Glue 3-in-1. This one looks like actually a couple YouTubers like to use, so you could try that. I've also got some Fabri-Tac. I don't know, you might not need it. Also the clear tacky glue and the regular tacky glue, but they actually come, you don't need to buy all that. You will see as the progress goes through, but as long as these worked, and I'm not probably going to get those out, but here is the white glue, and this is the clear glue. It says alcohol clear glue, so we'll see if that works. The package it looks like I need at the moment is this one. It says B26 through B53. So we're going to start with that, and we're just going to start with box number 1, and it looks like we're going to be building the kitchen cabinet. So I went through each piece. I looked through the materials list and found the pieces. I went ahead and marked what the code name was. Like this one was B29, so I took a piece of tape and just wrote B29 on it. And I did that for all the pieces from this bag. So now I can go ahead and start and hopefully find the pieces I need to make the kitchen cabinet. Okay. Everybody, this has fully dried. It is the next day and I've already messed up because I didn't realize what the directions was trying to tell me. I had in my mind one thing and it was actually telling me something very simple to do, and I just was not paying attention. So there's a silver piece of paper in one of the other bags right here, and I was supposed to take this template, or template, however you want to say it, and cut this to these template pieces here. Well, I didn't do that because I didn't know that I needed to do that, but I'm learning. So I'm going to attempt to go ahead, and you're supposed to put it inside so it looks like it's a sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to make pieces to go in there as it is now, If it doesn't work, then I'm just going to paint it with my silver paint, and it'll be good enough. So we're gonna go with that. Okay, fun fact for everyone who is trying to do this. The mirror or silver paper is not just paper, but it is a sticker. So you don't have to glue it on, which I have ruined the bottom of this because I was trying to push it down real good with the glue below it, and now it looks like a big mess. That's okay. It's okay. So if you look, can you believe that? Why didn't that say that? Okay, let me get my, now these are my tweezers that I got from a diamond painting. So if you're wondering, well, if I had just done it the right way to begin with, we wouldn't have any of these problems. Hopefully y'all don't have to deal with this. Learn from me, read the directions. Way better than what I've done. Obviously, I have made a mess. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. And then I'm gonna have to somehow glue it into this. Man, that's sloppy. Okay, so I went ahead and used this Beacon 3-in-1 glue. That particular glue dries a lot faster than this white glue. The white glue works, guys. It's just it takes a long time to dry. And this, I can tell it's already set up. So that 3-in-1 Beacon glue is really good. So we're going to use that. So we have to cut wire to 0.8 centimeters, and you get something that looks like that. Just going to be a handle for the cabinet pieces. And so here's one. It's just a straight piece, and I'm going to bend it. I'm going to use my tweezers. It does say on there how long each side is supposed to be. So it's supposed to be like 2.2 centimeters. And then along the short side, and then 4.4 centimeters right there. Isn't that cute? There you go. Check that out. I highly recommend this glue. Okay, so the next thing, moving on. So I need to cut this out and this out. Then it looks like I'm going to be pulling these two ends together and then putting that in the middle. So we have to take a cane of polymer clay that is in the look of a strawberry and cut them up. So what I ended up having to do is just glue them on there because I could not get them to stay straight. So they are glued on, and I would guess that when I'm all finished making the other accessories that I would glue those on there. So we will see. I followed directions this time and used the template that was given for both these pieces. So this was a white piece and this was the mirrored piece. And so we're sticking them together. Okay, so I've got this piece and this piece. And I'm supposed to somehow bring them together. If there's an easier way to do this, then someone needs to let me know. Okay, so here's the pot. The next piece is this. We are making a towel for the side over here. And I have to use template A16-12-1. So I'm going to cut that. I finally finished the kitchen cabinet. Let's see if I can get it closer so you can see better. So that I finally just let it fall to the side, and so it's kind of all connected. That's supposed to be just a rod right there to put the towel, but I just could not get that to stick. So it's laying down. It'll do. And then I glued the strawberries down. I glued the plate down. I did not have to glue that in. That's in there really good and snug. I did glue the pot down. That pot looks better than I thought, but man, it's sloppy. You can see the glue and everything else. And look at all the glue on my fingers. And then these little milk cartons, very difficult. I had a hard time with that. But the inside of the sink looks halfway decent. The front, these little things, they're on there, but I don't know how secure they are. And there's that side. And then this side is hollow, because I'm assuming there's going to be another piece right here, or it's going to be against the wall, but we'll see. So that is the end of this video. We will continue on. The next one is the roaster. So this took a pretty long time. I'm shocked at how long it's taken, but the pieces are so little and tiny that it was pretty difficult to do with these big thick fat fingers of mine, and then trying to do it as neatly as possible. I don't know how these other YouTubers do it, because I had a difficult time, but maybe it's because they've been doing it for years and they have figured out different techniques to do it. Alright, so that's the end of that one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are going to continue on our journey with making Mayberry Street miniature. This one being the DIY dollhouse miniature summertime cottage. Got it at Hobby Lobby for $36.99. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess and we will start the next section of this beautiful teeny tiny build. Bye guys, thank you.